is a term coined by Christopher Early and Soon Ang in 2003. It refers to a set of capabilities that allows individuals to effectively interact, communicate, and collaborate with people from different cultural backgrounds. It involves being mindful at your own cultural values, beliefs, and assumptions, while also having the capacity to understand and adapt other cultures. It has 4 dimensions, so I have covered all 4 dimensions. These 4 dimensions are, please, next slide please. These dimensions are metacognitive CQ, which is known as strategy also. This involves your consciousness and awareness during interactions with individuals from different cultures. Cognitive CQ, it is related to the knowledge of norms and practices of other cultures. Motivational CQ, this refers to the capability and your willingness to learn about other culture and function accordingly at times when it is required. And behavioral CQ, and this involves the ability to act appropriately in a differently cultural society. So you can understand this with an example, with a small example. If some student from a foreign country comes here and is fascinated with the music and the traditions like Guru Shishya Parampara, and he or she is adapting all the etiquettes we have, like we touch our Guru's feet, we never sit on the dais in front of our Guru, or we respect our Gurus. So all these values, if somebody is adapting these values with his or her own culture and starts behaving accordingly, this will, like, we can conclude that that person has a good cultural intelligence. Next slide. Why I chose this cultural intelligence for my study is again an interesting part of this experiment, because I believe that cultural intelligence must be at the higher side of those who learn music or those who are very closely connected to the art form. There are many researches, like I believe thousands of researches on the impact of music on multiple intelligences. Maybe you know about the 9 intelligence model of Gardner, or the impact of music on emotional intelligence, academic intelligence, which is called IQ, other personality traits. So I have been reading about all these researches, but I couldn't find any, even a single research on cultural intelligence and the impact of music of cultural intelligence. So, because this seminar had a sub-theme for cross-cultural or cross-cultural population, so I got an opportunity to go ahead with this experiment. Next slide, please. Next slide. Research gap, actually I have already told about the research gap. The objectives were very clear. The objectives of this study is to find out the level of cultural intelligence score in relation to 2 groups. One is which is trained in music, and another one which is not trained in music. And second objective is to find significant difference in cultural question concerning gender, age, and the stream of study. So the methodology, this study employs a quantitative research design with experimental approach. The participants of this study were 60 postgraduate and PhD scholars, which were enrolled in University of Hyderabad from diverse academic disciplines, almost 25 departments, and 12 states, plus 2 students from Bangladesh. So, justifying the cross-cultural population. Group A consisted of 30 individuals which were not learning music, and Group B had 30 participants which were learning music at at least for 5 years. I have used a validated cultural intelligence scale with 7-point Likert scale to get the data. And this scale had 20 questions to measure all the 4 dimensions of cultural intelligence. The data was collected through Google Forms, and yes, after the data collection, we checked the reliability of the Likert scale. So it was found reliable and authentic for further studies. So for this reliability test, I used Convax Alpha. After data collection, it was analyzed with SPSS. So I went ahead with t-test, independent t-test, and then one-way ANOVA, and some pivot studies were there. So let us come to the findings. To my surprise, actually, why I came here and